In this video, we showcase the Power Intelligent Decision Support (PIDS) platform. The platform is designed to serve three groups of target users: the power companies, the overseeing government departments, and the customers. It provides the users with intelligent management functions, including short-term power load forecasting and demand response optimization to improve overall system-level efficiency, and dynamically falls back to orderly power consumption strategies to maintain system stability in the event of severe demand fluctuations. The short-term power load forecasting function provides an analysis of the temporal trends of the power load fluctuations. The platform generates short-term load forecasting analytics based on wavelet decomposition and LSTM-based prediction models to accurately estimate the short-term power load gaps. There are two alarm levels in the user interface. The orange line corresponds to demand response alarm threshold, while the red line corresponds to the ordered power consumption alarm threshold. When the short-term load forecast reaches the preset alarm threshold, the main load monitoring interface sends an alert to prompt the power company to initiate the corresponding checking workflow. When the short-term load forecast reaches the demand response alarm threshold, the platform generates a response resolution preliminary plan for the power company based on the historical power load characteristics. The power company administrators can view the current resolution plan. Based on the initial analysis of the electricity usage statistics and response capability, they review and adjust the current resolution plan to issue the first demand response recommendations to their customers. At the same time, the power company user response overview page begins to track and show the current response progress. After recommendations are issued, each customer's page reminds the customer that new recommendation information is available. The customer can review it and respond to recommendation. The user interface contains statistics on the past demand responses. The customer's response based on the past statistics and his current needs is reported back to the power company. The user interface begins to track the response process. The power company receives the customer's declared response. The platform performs user screening and specifies execution plans based on their historical responses and historical power usage patterns. If the obtained result satisfies the response amount, the collective demand response resolution plan is updated. If the result is not satisfactory, the platform regenerates the demand response resolution and repeats the customer query step. When the resolution is reached, the platform executes the current power usage plan. If a resolution cannot be reached, the platform will transfer the customers to the orderly power consumption process. Next, the customers receive the execution notifications. After power consumption execution, the interface generates the monitoring results of the current demand response. The power company begins to monitor the actual demand response to facilitate full-scale power load monitoring. During this stage, if it is found that the demand response scheme cannot alleviate the pressure on the smart grid, the system will switch to the orderly power consumption mode. The platform matches and generates intelligent and orderly power usage schemes based on historical power usage information and analysis, and recommends a scheme for the customers. At this time, the power company receives a new orderly power consumption plan for the platform and then issues the enforcement notice after viewing the details of the schedule. The customers receive the notifications. The platform interface generates the execution monitoring results of the current orderly power usage plan, and the power company begins to monitor current orderly power usage to facilitate full-range power load monitoring. The overseeing government departments can also be involved in the management and scheduling process through the same platform. Thank you.